Dun 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 dun! I'm back. And this week we are still practicing adding and subtracting fractions. But today I'm going to introduce you to something that you've probably seen before in 4th grade called fraction bars. And fraction bars are very similar to things that we've done in class. They're just a little bit smaller. So there's our bar. According to our fraction, it's going to be divided into thirds. And it means that we're either going to have one part colored in, shaded in, scribbled in, or just a small piece of a big whole. Okay? But we're not finished, because now we're going to be adding using fraction bars. So let's say that I add 1/6 to this fraction bar. Now the key is to make your fraction bars the exact same, so that we now have a bar this size, very similar to the one above it, but this time it's divided into 6. So and we just want to make sure that they're very close. And we'll go back and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now it's the same length, but it also has one piece shaded in. Alright, so now we have to look for size comparisons. So if I'm looking at this first fraction, I notice that one of these boxes is the same as 2 of those boxes. So I'm going to come down here and do my third box. And I'm going to divide it into 6 again, because that's my larger denominator. And so, remember what we just said. We looked at this fraction bar and we realized that this first bar right here is the same amount of space as 2 of the little bars. So I'm going to color in 2 of them. And then I'm going to add one more from this third box. So now, write the fraction for this picture. So have to count everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I put that in my denominator. And then how many parts are shaded? 3, 6. And we've already discussed simplifying using the 10, 5, 2, 3, 7 rule. And so by all means, we know that we can divide by 3. And we get 1/2 as our simplified fraction form. But I'm going to come over here so you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I need one more. 6. And I'm going to draw me another fraction bar. The same length. And this time I'm just going to divide it into 2 parts. So at the top, I'm going to shade in 3. And I trace to see where that is. And that equals the same amount as this. So that's how you know 3, 6, and 1/2 are the same. And our pictures are the same. When you go to our Math Center link, you'll have the opportunity to create fraction bars and use them for addition and subtraction. And that way, it'll be a little bit easier for you to add. You can use your number line, you can draw the picture model, or you can use fraction bars. So this is just another strategy on ways to add fractions.